Good morning, everybody. In this video, I will show you how to solve real life problem that related according to the related rates. For example, a sliding ladder. A 10-foot ladder leans against the side of building. This is the ladder. Okay, you see here. This is the ladder. Okay. Uh, If the top of the ladder begins to slide down, if you see here, the wall at the rate of 2 feet per second. Y prime here is 2 feet per second is good. How fast is the bottom of the ladder sliding away from the wall? We need the x prime. Yes, what is equal from the wall when the top of the ladder is 8 feet off the ground. Y is equal 8. This is 8. Okay. Here I think y is equal 8. X, I don't know. Also x prime, this is the target. And now, okay, but what is the relation? This is the first step. What is the relation between x and y? This is, I think here, right-angled triangle. We can write here according to Pythagoras theorem, x squared plus y squared equal 100 squared or 110 squared. This is equal 100. Yes. Okay, x squared plus y squared equal 100. The second step here, differentiate implicitly both sides. Okay, this is equal to x prime plus 2y prime equal 0 because the derivative of 100 equals 0. Okay, the third step here, substitute the unknown, okay, the known quantities. Okay, we know y, also x prime, also we have here y prime is equal negative, I think negative 2 because down negative 2 is good. We need x. What is x equal? We can find x here from the because this is right angle triangle here. We can find x here. X squared is equal 10 squared minus 8 squared because y is equal 8 here. This is x. I think this is root square 100 minus 64. This is equal square root 36. X equals 6. That's good. Here we can find x. I think here is equal now 6 is noun. Okay, good. Now here substitute in the relationship here. We need now, this is the target, x prime. This is the velocity to slow, I think, the bottom of the ladder far away from the wall is good. Here x prime is equal, move to this term to the another side, change the sign, negative 2y prime divided by 2x. Yes, divided by 2x. Now x prime what is equal? Negative 2 times 8 times y prime, negative 2 times, also over here 2 times 6. Okay, I think this is equal 32 over 12. This is equal 8 over 3 feet, I think, per second. This is the, I think, the rate, how fast the bottom of the ladder. Yes. Okay. Rate, velocity. Okay. Rate. This is the x prime equal 8 over 3. That's it. Any question about this problem? Thank you for watching video. We will see you inshallah in the next video.